everyone, and happy Easter. Whatever you're getting up to today, I hope you have an amazing day. As for me, well, the Easter Bonnie is heading for a sail to Karnak Island. And do you like my tail? Hope it doesn't get too soggy. And today, I'd like to show you something really special. I'd like to show you how the Easter Bonnie delivers eggs to the sea lions. So at Karnak Island, where the sea lions are, I'm not allowed on the beach. So I have to get to the sea lions from the water. And for that, I need this contraption. It's called a Bosun's chair. Okay, so it's a bit like a swing, this. So I have to get my legs through. And I've got a hook. And I'm going to hang myself from, oh, not literally. God, the things I do for sea lions. And obviously, they don't eat chocolate, so I'll probably have to give them some fish or something. Okay, so here we go. Lowering me down gently into the water. I think I've just lost all the eggs throughout the bucket. Sorry, sea lions. Ooh, that's cold. So Easter in Western Australia is a gorgeous time of year to be sailing. It's really warm still today, not too breezy, and yeah, not too many people are on the water today, so it's quite quiet. So here we go, back in the water. Give it up on the Easter egg idea. That's fun. I'll be amazed if this tail stays on. Come on, lose that. How about the ears? What are they up to? Maybe I could try a little bit of bunny yoga. Well, it's not all play for happy rabbits. Got to get the salt spray off too. Well, now that the Easter Bonnie has delivered all of her eggs, it's time for her to hop back to her hutch, or her pen in this case, and give Mika a bit of a scrub. So it's a little bit of a shorter video today, but I have been really busy in the background creating some more slightly cheekier content. The sort of cheeky content that gets me into trouble with YouTube. So fingers crossed, soon it'll be released on another platform, beginning with P. This crazy bunny will keep you updated. Well, after a hard morning sailing, it's time for a spot of lunch. And what does the Easter Bonnie like to eat for lunch, you might be asking? Well, carrots, no. Chocolate, definitely not. This Easter Bonnie likes to nibble on a juicy pear. Well, that's Mika and the Easter Bunny back in its hutch. Time for a bit of a hose down. Have a fantastic Easter, and I'll see you all again soon.